Welcome back to Cooking with Hua. Today I'm going to make some anise almond biscottis, and biscottis means twice baked cookies. I have 1 cup all-purpose flour. This is 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon salt. This is anise seed. Do you say anise or anise? I used to say anise, but I keep hearing people correct me saying it's anise. Let me know. And I have half a tablespoon of anise seeds. Mix all your dry ingredients and put them to the side. Let's work on our wet ingredients. You will need 1 egg, 1/4 cup sugar plus 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. And because we're going to put almonds in here, I'm also going to use this almond flavor. Now this is very potent, so just a little drop. If you have the extract like the vanilla, do 1/8 teaspoon. Just a tiny little drop. There we go. Give this a quick mix. Oh, I forgot one more thing, oil. You also need 1/4 cup canola oil. Okay, now give everything a quick mix so they're all well combined. You want to mix your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. And before I mix it all together, I want to add in my almonds, a 1/4 cup. Now, I didn't toast these almonds just because we're going to bake them twice. There's no need to toast them. Okay, so this is perfect. You don't want them too wet, but not too crumbly. And I think this is just the perfect amount. Now I have it in a bowl. I'm going to refrigerate this for half an hour. And I'm going to cover it. Okay, cover it just like that and put it in the fridge. Now I'm going to preheat my oven at 350 degrees. I have a cooking tray with parchment paper, and I'm just going to take it out. There we go. And I'm going to shape it. If you find it that it's a little bit sticky, you can just use some extra flour. Okay, make sure your hands are clean, which they are, and make a short log. I like my biscotti like small ones. It just depends on how you like them. You can make it a little bit wider, but I like mine a little bit smaller, like this size. And they are going to puff up a little bit from the baking powder. Here we go. Now that I have it nice and shaped in a little log, I'm going to pop them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's golden. And then I'm going to let it completely cool. Remember, biscottis are meant to be baked twice. Then I'll let you know what to do next. Okay, so I just took the anise and almond biscotti out, and my oven took about 28 minutes. Now I'm going to let it completely cool before I cut them and toast them again. Bake them again. It's completely cool, so I'm going to move the rack. Now I'm going to cut it. You need a serrated knife, but I'm over at my sister's house and she doesn't have one. So hopefully this works. And I'm going to cut it at an angle. Cut a little bit off first. Okay, and you want to saw it. Okay, it's working. Oh gosh, please don't break apart. Yay! Place the biscottis on the rack and bake them for about 8 to 10 minutes. Pull it out, then turn it to the other side and bake them again for another 8 to 10 minutes. Then your biscotti should be ready. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to have them with coffee. Okay, so I finished making the anise and almond biscotti. There are certain things I would do a little bit differently, but the best way to have it is to dunk, here you go, your biscotti in coffee. Don't mind my Christmas mug. Oh gosh, I can't wait. So good. I hope you like my anise and almond biscotti. Super easy to make. And I'll see you next time. Bye.